doing a project, Let's Be Tolerant. And we have a presentation about this topic. What is tolerance? Tolerance means that also we can be different in ways, lifestyle, opinions, but we can respect each other and love one another. The most important thing is the person to be of a good soul and respected. Tolerance is helping people if they are different. How to become more tolerant? The most important things are respect, courage, and peacefulness. If you want to treat with your friends, go to the restaurant and learn about this restaurant, where to go most time for your comfort zone. Read about other religions different from your own. There are many books about this topic. Tolerance is an important thing. Tolerance is way to peace, and the peace is way to peace without any bars. Let's be tolerant.
3.
And now I want you to answer my question. What is tolerance?
Поднимайте руки.
Say please.
Respect.
For you.
To kindness.
And for you.
Happiness.
Громко
To
скажи.
not to accept all cultures.
And you please.
It's love for other people.
Thank you very much for your